project in technology today. So you're going to log on to Google Apps for Education, which is in the handout folder, and we've done this to take quizzes at the end of classes. So you're going to find the link and then you're going to click on it. Mrs. Stallings will show you how to do that, and then once you're inside it's going to look like this somewhat, and you're going to go to Create. So you're going to find the red Create button first to create you're going to go down to Document. So Create and Document, and once you're inside the document, it's going to look something like this, and you're going to click on the where it says Untitled, and you're going to give it a title, and you're going to say Natural Disasters Cover Page. You're going to click OK. And so what we're going to do is we need our cover page to have our name, our class, our date, and a picture. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Center Align button, because that makes where I type everything go in the center. And I'm going to type in first the title, whatever natural disaster I did. So let's say I did volcanoes. I'm going to type that first. Now, when you type that, you want to make your title stand out. You may want to underline it, italicize it, make it bold. You might want to make it a different text. You could pick like a fun text if you want. You can make it much bigger, which you'll definitely want to do so people will be able to see it. And now I'm going to go down to the next page, and you're going to type in your name and your class code. And you're probably going to want to make your font a lot smaller for that. And use your tool buttons at the top to do that. And then I'm going to put 4K for my class, and then I'm going to put today's date, April 8th, 2013. So that's everything you need. You need your title, your name, your class code, and your date. And then you're also, and I might want to even change that font to make it look a little bit different. So I'm going to maybe change it to this one, make it a little bigger so people can read it. And then I'm going to insert a picture. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to find the Insert button, and I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to click on Image, because I want an image, which is the same thing as a picture. And then I'm actually going to go down so there's two things you can do. You can, if you have an image, like a screenshot you took that you really want to use, you can drag the screenshot here and use that. But if you don't have a screenshot or a picture, then you can go to Search and type in, I'm going to type in volcano. And click the search button, and whatever picture you want, there's tons of different ones for this one, you can click on to use. So I'm just going to use this one. So click on it and then hit select. Oop, and it said there was a problem, so let me try a different one. Insert image, let me try this one. And it tells you where the image was found, so it's found on here. So I'm gonna want to use this later. So I'm gonna Command C to copy it, but I'm gonna select. Oh man. So let me see if I can go to the website where the image was. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. And what I did is I clicked on the link. I'll do that again so you can see. So I'm taking a screenshot, Command-Shift-4, and now I'm just going to drag in my screenshot. So you probably want to find and see how my cursor moves. That's where it's going to put it. So I'm going to drag and drop it, and then it has my picture in here. Now you want to make sure your picture's not too big, so I'm going to make it smaller, and you want to make sure your picture's centered. So the way I did that, I'm going to pick another picture so you can see. I'm going to go Insert, Image, and then I clicked on the picture I wanted. So let's say I wanted this one. And to take me to that website, to take a screenshot, I would click on the link, and it'll take me to the link. Then I'll do Command-Shift-4 to take a picture of it, and then I'll drag it in. Okay? So once you have everything on your title page, your cover page, you're going to go File, Print, and then this is going to come up. And it's going to give you a preview. Make sure you like it. Make sure it's centered. Make sure everything's spelled right. And then you can go ahead and hit the print button. So that's your job for today. When you finish, you can do Type to Learn, or you can do 4th grade games.